Hey everyone, welcome to my hair care routine. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the products that I've been using on my hair from the shower all the way until I finish styling my hair. So starting off, I've been using the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Shampoo. And with my shampoos, I only shampoo the top section of my hair and my scalp and just let the rest run through the ends, because when I wash the ends of my hair with shampoo, it dries them out. So I just make sure that I wash my scalp really well. And for conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Conditioner. I love this stuff. It goes on really smooth. And I also like to mix in a thicker conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Conditioner. This stuff smells really good and it's really thick, so it's almost like a hair mask. And I like to coat the conditioners from the middle part of my hair down to the ends. And I just work it in there for a while and then I rinse everything out. I do like to detangle my hair in the shower, so the two combs that I use are, one is from the company The Wet Brush, and the other wide tooth black comb I just got at a beauty supply store. So while detangling my hair, I start from the bottom up just to avoid any pulling. So I'll do that until all the tangles are out, and then I use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. You can use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt to do this. So I will gently flip my hair over, do a little finger comb through one more time, and then wrap my hair up. Microfiber towels cause less friction on the hair, which causes less breakage. And now for the styling process, I do use quite a few products. Just because my hair is so thick and damaged, it takes a lot of products to maintain my curls. So the first product I use is the Madam C.J. Walker Beauty Coconut Oil. And the key to all of these products is sectioning off my hair. Because I have so much of it and it's so thick, I like to section my hair just to make sure that all of my hair strands are getting all of the product. So I like to work it from the scalp down to my ends just to make sure all of my hair strands are nice and hydrated. Next up, I use the Ren Pure Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. You can find these at a lot of TJ Maxx stores or Marshalls for pretty cheap, like $8 to $9. And I just like to work this in all over my hair. It just helps to make it way more manageable when I'm combing through it. I then apply the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This has become one of my favorite curly girl hair products. It smells like pina colada, and it just really helps to get a defined curl. So I just like to take a pretty decent amount of this and work it through small sections of my hair and then just finger comb it through. It really helps to separate the curls and give them more definition. Next up, for gels, I tend to use these two in combination or just one or the other. It just depends on what kind of style I'm going for. The big blue bottle was Labella Super Hold Gel. I get this at Target and it's actually really cheap. It's like $2.99 and lasts forever, and it actually contains coconut oil and also the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. It's much pricier, so I tend to use that a little more sparingly, but the texture is like really nice and light, and it just really gets into the curls really nicely. So I just love how those two work together, and they also don't leave that like crunchy, stiff, annoying feeling. So that's why I love these two gels. And after all that process, I will then repeat those steps to the top section of my hair. I know it's like a really long process, but I'm just so used to doing it, and it really works for my hair type. So I just always say the struggle is real, especially with the curly hair, because if you miss certain sections and then you dry your hair, you're left with like a huge puff in one side and then it's not laying flat on the other. So I just really like to pay attention to applying the products evenly. I don't always blow dry my hair, but when I do, I use my Dura-Chi handleless blow dryer. I just use the diffuser attachment that it comes with, and I set it to a cool setting so that way I'm not using too much heat on my hair. And I'll just do this around my whole head until it's completely dry. And then a great product that I discovered for flyaways and baby hairs is the Shea Moisture Strengthen, Repair, and Grow Edge Treatment. It looks like a jelly, and I use the old school trick with a toothbrush, and I just apply some of the product to the toothbrush and comb my baby hairs down. And if there's any like really annoying obvious flyaways, I'll kind of just gently take the toothbrush and comb those down, and it does a really good job with holding them in place throughout the day. Okay guys, so that is my current routine from wash to finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.